I'm Joe Savoury, this is my bike check. I've got ODI borings, white ODI grip, some Federal Lacey bars, tuck sticker off there, a proper Microlight stem in blue. I've got some Federal 2020 HD forks in white, just a Blacklabel wheel with 2 felt pegs, WeThePeople Warriors frame, that blue. Federal slim seat, some white Blacklabel cranks, Blacklabel Sproket, crap rusted chain, yeah, and another Blacklabel wheel, and that's my bike check. Thanks for watching.
What am I doing stopping now?
Stop it.
Hi, my name's Connor Parker, this is my bike check. I've got ODI borings, animal Edwin grips, Federal Lacey bars, Premium sub 10 stem, Federal drop forks, a G-Sport hub, Odyssey Hazard Light rims, just Primo spokes, animal tom white tyres, front and back, 2.25, Federal Lacey frame 21 inch, GT cranks, because they're amazing, Federal fat seat, Federal seat post, Odyssey twisted pedals, shadow chain, Kink static sprocket, salt pegs front back, G-Sport ratchet hub guard, salt peg, Odyssey Hazard Light rim, Primo spokes, and bottom bracket is a shadow headsets united, and that's my bike check.